Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. To access the light bulbs, you have to remove the headlight housing. With a medium-sized flathead screwdriver, press down on the plastic tab of the power connector to the headlight housing. This will free it from the holding spur and you will be able to disconnect it. With the same screwdriver, remove the plastic holding rivet from the grille by levering it off. Continue removing the headlight housing by unscrewing the two holding screws on the front lights. To remove the lights, unclip it first by pulling upwards, then tilt it forwards and simultaneously pull it back to extract it. To remove the headlight bulbs, unscrew the rubber cover. Turn the bulb connector a quarter turn anti-clockwise. This will allow you to take the whole thing out. Using a medium-sized flathead screwdriver, position the tool between the bulb and its holder and lever. This will allow you to remove the bulb. Replace the bulb and clip it back into its holder. Reposition everything into the headlight housing, being careful to position the holding spurs before the two screws you can see around the holder. Give the bulb a quarter turn clockwise to fix it in its final position. Put the rubber cover back on. To replace the high beam bulbs, turn the headlight housing around. Unscrew the cover. Unplug the power connector. To release the bulb, simultaneously push outwards both parts of the hook attached on both sides of the holding spur. Flip the hook downwards, then remove the bulb. When putting a new bulb back in, carefully check that you put it in the right way round. Identify the location of the keyed connection, which can vary depending on the model. As you're inserting it, hold it with one finger, while another searches for the hook to slip it back into position. Then reconnect the power connector. Give the bulb connector a quarter turn anti-clockwise. This will allow you to take the whole thing out. To remove the bulb, press on it and give it a quarter turn. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. To put everything back, insert the headlight housing and give it a quarter turn clockwise. At the end of this operation, make sure everything is firmly in place. To remove the parking lights, use a pair of Needlenose pliers. Take the black plastic holder of the parking lights, then, carefully, lever backwards to remove the whole thing. To remove the bulb, pull on it. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. screw the cover back on. To put everything back, insert the headlight housing and give it a 1/4 turn clockwise. Put the grille side holding rivet on the headlight housing. Screw the 2 holding screws back in. Reconnect the main power connector. Operation completed.